we'll begin with a working definition. A communicative initiation is any time your child, non-verbally or verbally, tries to communicate to you or others what they want, think, or feel. It is critical to bear in mind that your child's communicative initiation may be nonverbal. That is, your child may try to communicate to you what they want, think, or feel without using words. Or your child may use words.
A bee.
There is one more fundamental requirement to meet the definition. The communicative initiation must come from the child. This is essential. They originate from the child. They are the child's idea, and the child initiates them from their own motivation. This is crucial to grasp to maximize our child's talking. Communicative initiations are not in response to us withholding and prompting our child with a question. What do you want? What do you say? Say cracker.
Cackle.
They are not in response to specific requests for words like, what do you say? Or use your words.
Use your words.
Simple eye, please.
The child's response to any of these would be called elicited responses. Elicited responses have a useful role in some context and will be covered in a different lesson. For the purposes of this lesson, we want to be clear about what a communicative initiation is and what it is not. Each communicative initiation contains key ingredients that enhance learning moments for your child and offer a special window of opportunity for us to teach our child about talking. We will expand on this in the latter half of the course. A message to take home now: the more your child initiates, the more opportunities you have to teach them about talking.